to do a demo on a PR that I'm opening for Bolt.diy. Basically, this is going to fall under the new features section. So it's right here. It's GitHub Auth. Important to note here that this is like a utility feature. So it doesn't actually implement any GitHub features. It just provides the authentication. So if someone else had a feature they wanted to add and they needed GitHub Auth, they can come in and enable this, and the auth flow is taken care of. So you can kind of read here. There's a very brief description as to what it provides. Obviously, you can look at the code. So we can turn this on, and then once we do that, we'll get this Connect to GitHub button. We can click that, copy the code, click the link, paste the code, authorize, and then we're done here. And now you can see it says disconnect GitHub. And we have a, should have a token over here, which as you can see we do. Yeah, so there isn't a whole lot else to show here. I guess we can go into a quick application so that I can point out one more thing. So we'll have it build us up an app. We don't even really need to wait for this. The point isn't what it's building right now. It's this push to GitHub. So this is a feature that was already in Bolt.diy. And if you click on this, you can see it's looking for a username, and then I believe it's going to look for a token after this. So this is a different authentication mechanism. This feature to push to GitHub was done by another contributor. So they might see this video. They could utilize this new auth flow. You only have to do it once the token is saved. You don't have to re-authenticate. So yeah, that's that's about it. If we hit disconnect here, we're back to the connect again. And of course we can come in here and turn it off. When you launch, at least at the moment, this settings panel, when you launch it, it's going to be off by default. But it's another thing to note that if you've authenticated and you have a token in local storage, you don't need to come in here and re-enable this again. So keep in mind for now, if this ends up going in like this, I don't know if it will. So if this PR goes in like this, the intention is for this to just provide the mechanism for other people, so they don't have to do this auth flow. Right now, it doesn't do anything because there's nobody else currently using it. So the hope is that we enable this, and then other folks that have either already done some GitHub features or new features that may be coming, they could just use this flow. Okay, if you have any comments, let me know. Feel free to check out my other video on capturing the screen. This guy